Hello everybody, this is Mustafa and another motorcycle video. Uh, in this video I'm going to show you how to adjust the chain, and we need to find out how much is the slack on the chain. So we have to get the tension on the top one and see how much slack at the bottom one. So I'm going to put the gear, first gear, and then back it up a little bit. Once I back it up a little bit, now the top one has the tension, so this one has the tension and the slack right here. That is too much slack, so we have to adjust that. And the service manual says the distance between this piece right there and the chain should be about 2 inches, and I made this tool so I can push it here and see how much clearance, and this one needs to be adjusted. So to adjust the chain, I have to loosen the axle nut. I'm gonna use the big torque wrench. So I'm gonna loosen the lock nut, back it up a few turns, and I'll do the same thing right here. So when I do the adjustment, I will go only a quarter turn. So quarter turn is going to be about so I'm going to tight quarter turn and do the same thing right here. And then before I tighten the lock nut, I gotta adjust it again. Okay, this one looks like it needs, I need to turn it more. Probably I'll go half and see how much difference it's gonna make. So I'm gonna go half and measure. Probably I need to do it a quarter turn because it's still got some clearance right there. So I'll go quarter turn. And do the same thing on the other side. Quarter turn and measure. Be sure I have the 2 inches as the spec says, and that is perfect like this one. That is perfect. So now I'm gonna tighten the lock nut. same thing right here. And then I'm gonna torque the axle nut. There. The torque is 75 foot-pound as the service manual says, and I already set it to 75. To double check one more time. So here the tension, here the slack, and the slack again is perfect. That was the chain adjustment on the Yamaha. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in another video.